slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Uy, pwede magtanong ko eh. Kailan pa tinayo tong McDo rito? Ay, magdadalawang taon na. Wala pa lang. Ito ba yung pinakamalaki na McDo, diba? Sa Pilipinas. Ito yun.
Sa Asia daw po sir.
O sa buong Asia. Anong pangalan mo siya? Ano ha?
Personal ho.
Oo, yung ikaw, anong pangalan mo?
Santiago.
Nag-vlog isa ako sa YouTube. Sige, thank you. Nagano ka rin trabaho yung maintenance? Sige. Ano pangalan mo siya?
Santi po.
Okay, Santi. Thank you, sir. Yun mga chupon. Nunong ko si kuya kayo siya raw yung maintenance rito eh. Tanongin ko kaya to. Ano pangalan mo? Taga saan ka ba? Di ako pinapansin eh. Ang daming nagbablog din dito mga chupon kasi imagine mo kilala tong ano eh. Sa buong Asia pala ito pinakamalaking McDo. Yun. Ayan oh. I love McDo. Yun. Diba? Dito lang yan sa Pampanga, syempre San Fernando. Kahit ang init-init, diba? Tanungin natin may nagkano rito eh. Mga bikers, ewan ko taga saan to. Tanungin natin.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say
Boss,
that you're
pwede
fine.
magtanong, taga
You're
saan
not
kayo
really.
boss? Ay, palit. Nagbike lang kayo hanggang rito? Tapos saan ang ano nyo, sunod nyo, pag after dito? Araw-araw na pupunta ko, yung ngayon ako napunta. So yun. Thank you ah. Kailan ba yung channel? Kaya YouTube?
No.
So yung mga chupol, magpapalam na ako. Paalam muna kayo. Ayun, thank you ah. Sige. Yun mga chupol. Tinanong ko yung mga biker kasi. mga taga-Palid daw sila eh. So dumaan ata rito sa Fernando para tingnan yung McDo nga. Ang laki. Sa buong Asia pala itong pinakamalaki na McDo. Kasi imagine mo sa lawak ba naman dito. Kadalasan makikita ko lang to nung bata ako. Actually sa Olongapo. Olongapo lang meron eh.
Two hours later.
Yun. Tapos tignan natin yung sa likod. Yung pinakalikod ko eh. Yun mga chupol, bawal pala tayo sa labas. Ay sa labas, sa loob. Hindi pala pwedeng walang official. Kailangan daw po may official. Gagawin natin dahil hindi tayo makapasok, uwi na lang ako. Siyempre hindi ako makapasok eh, so uwi na lang ako, diba? Yung chicken joy nila.
No.
Chicken back. So ngayon gagawin ko rito, nalinip na eh, diba? Importante, nalibot ko yung yan ang capital town, yun ang capital town, saka yung siyempre yung McDo. Ang McDo talaga yung sinadya ko rito eh, diba? Pero siyempre kahit nasa McDo na ako, ayan, parang nasa Paris ako eh, kasi nung medyo 20 ako, 21, nasa Paris ako. Nasa Paris. Gulo. Ayan, nakachupol. na ako. Bye-bye.